2 tablespoons of curd, 1 teaspoon ginger paste, 1 teaspoon garlic paste, salt to taste, 1/4 teaspoon pepper, 2 teaspoons of mustard oil. Add some garam masala, 1 chopped onion, 1 teaspoon ginger paste, 1 teaspoon garlic paste, 2 green chilies, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, some salt to taste, add a little water, cook it. Add your marinated chicken. Adding water from the marination bowl, a few green chilies according to your taste, little garam masala. Once it comes to a boil, cover and cook for 20 minutes. 20 minutes are over. Our chicken is ready.